Hey everyone, welcome back. Is the send money button in the off bank not working? Opening the gift picker instead, or just doing nothing when you tap it? Here's the fix and what you need to know. This specific bug where the send money button opens the gift and sticker picker instead of the transfer flow has been confirmed by Up's own support team as a known software issue, and the fix requires an app update rather than something on your device. First, open the App Store and then tap on your profile picture in the top right corner and pull down to force a refresh. Look for Up in the updates list and install any available update immediately. If you are already on the latest version and the bug persists, go to your settings, then General, iPhone Storage, scroll down, find Up, and tap Offload app. Next, go to your App Store, search for Up, and reinstall it fresh from here to ensure you have a clean build. Until the bug is fully resolved in your version, you can use your Up BSB and account number directly in your other bank apps to transfer money to Up, or use PayID to request money from others as a workaround. So all you've got to do is update Up immediately from your app store. This is a known bug that requires an app fix. Offload and reinstall if already updated. Use your BSP or PayID to transfer in the meantime, and that's it. Subscribe.